In this video, we're going to look at an essential numeracy skill, how to use a split strategy for addition. This is similar to the skill bridging to 10, which students will learn in the earlier years. The split strategy for addition is helpful when working with larger numbers. So if we look at the problem of 23 plus 45, some students might look at that and get a little bit freaked out by it at first because of the larger numbers that we're working with, but we want students to break it down into smaller numbers. So we can actually split these numbers into numbers that we can work with. So we're going to start off by doing 20 plus 40, which equals 60. And then they're going to add the ones, so the 3 plus 5, which equals 8. And then we want to add those numbers, two numbers together, so 60 and 8, of course, equals 68. So we get our answer to 23 plus 45 equals 68.